wanna fly far away from here to another place. It ain't worth the fear. Sometimes at night, when I close my eyes, I know the haters I've been making us pay to lie. I'm getting sick of this shit, but I'm not gonna quit.
What were you thinking? Did you think I played, girl? I'm out of place here. Gotta grab a case beer. I'm on the same gear since my 8th grade year. I haven't grown much. I stayed the same here. Not a fan of change here. Holding big faces. Andrew Jackson, Benjamin Franklin. Until my safe full, I'm out here mashing. Gotta grab the cash when they demand it. Gotta get the cabbage. Feed your bad kids, even when they ask shit. Change them diapers, better keep on laughing, cause I'm about to cash in. Go Titans back then, high school right rapping. My flake go pair pin, pen pals don't have them. Friends don't have ends, so I stand in and take the damn in of what I work for. So what I hurt, so my fam don't hurt, no. So I eat slow because they work more than me. Can't stand up to me and tell me that you do more. Stand through worse storms, fake is the true scorns. About to show my true form. I got 2 horns, clown with the red nose. About to be dead foes, piss on your headstone. Wealth and heel hoes, built on steel hoes. Fell head over heels for my bread soul. Travel the road but still I pay 10 toes. Stay on my 10 toes, no matter where I go. Won't leave my head alone. Love me long time, like you said, show. Didn't see nothing happen, so I let go. When it was said and done, thinking I fret, no. Hope you're good with less, though. I'm the best I get, though. No regrets, blow the elbow out the window. No debt, so the bed's on. Can't take no more of this shit. Haters, busters, get real with it.